Hey there, everybody. I wanted to show you the quick order entry algo that I'm going to build for you. That's going to be real simple, real easy. It doesn't take long at all. Done in a couple of minutes, just a few blocks. And the logic that we're building on here is I want to go off of the current bid, and I want to go, let's say, 10 ticks higher, and just put an offer in there. If market's running something like that, you don't want to try and swing at the best bid. Maybe you don't want to know where you're going to get the offer in because market's moving too fast. You got to stack down here, so you should know. You'll always know. But if you're doing it algorithmically, you just want to get in there higher. You want to get in higher in the bid, so you want to get in that way. Or you can add this as a button on here and then be trader and actually do it that way too. Just automatically put in 10 ticks higher or 5 ticks higher, whatever it is. But that's what we're going to do. We're going to build something like that. That's going to be an order entry. It's going to be an offer placed in X amount of ticks above the bid. And I'm going to pull in another field block, and this field block is going to show you how to do the minimum tick to actually calculate that. So let's add the contract. Contract is going to be Bitcoin at XBT USDT at CoinFlex, the June futures. I'll make that a little bigger so you can see it more clearly. And we need a field block for the bid. So I'm going to take this block right here. I'll flip this over from ask price to bid price. I said I wanted to go, let's go 8 ticks above. Why not? Just 8 ticks. So this is going to be my tick diff. Call this ticks away. Just like that. And it's going to be the bid price. Now I need to find out, how does this instrument tick? I know this ticks in halves, but you don't always know that. So since you don't always know that, you want to make it. Actually, I'm going to switch this contract to dynamic too. But I call it user defined. I can change this every time I run the algo, but I'm going to do that again throughout. But I need to know how this instrument ticks. Okay, now I know this one is a half, but you won't always necessarily know without looking how an instrument ticks. So you want to actually have this thing called a min tick increment, which is right here, min tick increment. And now it's going to show me the ticks in halves, and you can see that right here. It ticks in halves. Good, we know that now. So I want to do 8 of those. So I'm going to do a multiplication block. And multiply min tick increment times my tick away ticks. Oops, I get those to actually snap together, just like that. Min tick, I want to make that actual variable too, so I'm going to call it user defined as well. Max value, let's say 1,000 ticks. Min value 0. Okay, so now my new price is going to be the bid price plus this multiplied number of ticks, which is going to be a total of 8, which is actually a total of 8 ticks, but to get 8 ticks, it's going to be a total of 4 based off of the min tick I have. So I'm going to add those together. Bid price. Oops, don't do that. So I have bid price plus my calculator price. This is going to be my new calculator price. Calc price. Got it. What we're going to do with that, I'm going to place an order based off that. I'm going to take the discrete order block again, because again, it's going to be a one and done. I'm just going to put it in one time and forget about it. So I'm going to connect my instrument block over here. And I have my calculator price, and I have a bid price. What else am I missing here? Let's look in the problems tab. Problems tab is telling me what? That I have an invalid block, discrete order block, formulas are required for price and quantity. All right, got that. So price and quantity. Well, I don't have a price. My price is going to be this calculated price. Got that. What's my quantity? I need another quantity, so I got to come up with the order block. So let's say we're going to do 5 Bitcoin. Now let's go 4. 4 Bitcoin. That's going to be my order block, my order quantity block. Order quantity, just like that. And I'm going to click this in. No, it isn't going anywhere really. It's just going to set up as a user defined again, because I want to change it every time. Got it. This is a sell this time, so I'm going to flip this block over from a buy to a sell. Which says side right here, I can flip it from a buy order block to a sell order block. So I'm going to take it to a sell order block, just like that. Got it. Now it's just a block that's sitting here. All it knows, all this block knows right now is just the instrument. It knows it's going to do something with this contract, with this instrument. It doesn't know what it's going to do though. So we got to tell it what it's going to do. So that's what this error down here is saying. That's invalid block discrete order. Formulas are required for price and quantity. So what's my price? My price is this calculated price. This is going to be the bid plus 8 ticks. Quantity is right here. Now how do I get those in there? I gotta get those in there. So let's click into the discrete order block. I'm gonna click into the formula. Let's go edit. Price equals at calc price. Whoops. At calc price. I want to tell you a difference here. The at symbol, when I do an at symbol to call something, that's going to call something that's actually on the canvas already. Versus a hashtag. I'm going to show you a hashtag. A hashtag is going to call something that is related to the data stream. It's going to be something related to the order of the fill. So we'll get into that in a second. But all right, so I've got a calc price. Now I want the quantity. My quantity is going to be that order quantity block. Remember, at order quantity, just like that. Okay. So now these two blocks are snapped in here. Basically, they've got the information in here. But this order block doesn't know when to do anything. What's going to start up? Why should it go start gathering this information? And I'm going to get a generator block. I'm going to pipe the generator block in here, just like that. And set to every start. Let me just leave it at every start. So every time this algo starts, it's going to go ahead and tell this block. It's going to send a message to this block and say, hey, go grab the instrument and go grab these two things. Go grab the calculated price and the order quantity. So it's going to go grab this 4. It's going to go grab this calculated price, which is 75.81, which should be 8 ticks higher than where we are right here. And it will be up in there somewhere. Yeah, right on there. So I'm going to add an alert block now. Remember the alert block. The alert block is going to help tell me what's really going on here so I know what's going on. So I'm going to run this in. And now this time I'm going to say asking. And now I'm going to use a hashtag because the hashtag is going to go read the data stream from the actual order. So I need, what's my order quantity? Order quantity. So I'm asking, which in this case would be what, the 4 contracts, and at, and hashtag limit price. This is going to tell you, it's going to go into the order stream and go actually read what that limit price is we're using. Okay. So now I should get a nice little neat audit trail message down there that says all this stuff and I run it. That's really all there is to it. I'm going to colorize this, make it red. And now when I click start over here, I should get an order for 4 contracts, about 8 ticks up here, so somewhere right in here. Let's keep an eye on that and see if it works. You know what, we should probably get 5, because I'm on 5 right now, right? I'm going to change this to 5. 5, use that to close out this long. All right, now if I click on go, there it is. My offer gets placed, just like that. Real simple. It just went from the bid price and went 8 ticks higher, and that's it. It's a very simple algo. Why would I have an order type like that? Again, if it's a fast-moving market, and you look at Bitcoin, you see this stuff's flashing all over the place. Well, I might go to sell right here and something flashes in there real quick. I don't want that. I want it to kind of come to me a little bit. So I want to put it up there, let the market kind of work into me a little bit and see where it goes. So but we're getting fills, which is good. So we've filled out some of those already. That's it. That's a simple algo. I'm going to cut it off of here real close to what I did last time. That I changed up last time. We were based off of, I think it was 3 ticks down, or the third best bid. Now I'm going to calculate it off the bid price, and I'm going to add 8 ticks. Okay, real simple order type. Hope you find some use to that. You learned something. You learned about the min tick increment block, which is a nice little thing to know about. So there you go. Signing out.